Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold for a while the screen and then click here on the widgets. Now just you can see here all the available widgets that you can add. For example, we can go with the clock one, and here you can see the 4 different type of the clock. For example, we'll go with the digital one. Just hold for a while and drag it. For example, here you can see that we can change the size of this widget. We can make it bigger or smaller. Also, we can move this widget here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. Or also we can create the new screen with this widget. Just hold for a while and move it here. Also, we can go back, sure. And for example, we can add here one more widget by the same way. For example, we can go with the calendar. Here we got 4 different types of the calendar. For example, we can go with the calendar schedule. By the same way, hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. By the same way, we can change the size of the widget. And if you want to just remove the widget, just hold it. And here you'll see the remove icon. Just click here to remove. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.